Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which term of the arithmetic progression 6, 14, 22, 30 is 382? Now firstly, given arithmetic progression is 6, 14, 22, 30. Here, first term A is 6. Then common difference D is 14 minus 6, that is 8. And AN is 382. Now, place the above values in the equation. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 382 equals to 6 plus N minus 1 into 8. Now simplifying this, we get 382 equals to 6 plus 8N minus 8. So 382 equals to 8N minus 2. Now add 2 to both the sides, we get 384 equals to 8N. Divide throughout by 8, we get N equals to 384 by 8, which gives 48. Hence, 48th term of the given arithmetic progression will give the number 382.